I need the racks like a bimbo. Serving niggas out the window. Have a 9-3 kids with a hustle with your mendo. Had to get it off the mental. Had to move with the intellect. These niggas want me back in that paddy wagon, but I won't let them in us. I gotta watch my tempo. Stepper, 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 only stepping for a check. Stepper, 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 gotta step on niggas.
Oh, y'all, look, hey, it's the second car I ain't break. Josh broke the red eye, and Big Slim over here broke the TRX, man. The TRX is today. Both cars out of there, so I'm sorry for Dodge for telling Dodge. All right. Yes, I'm sorry for Dodge. I'm pushing it right now. So I'm pulling the neutral safety switch.
Yeah, I'm probably need your help. So the button's still?
1 second. I'm gonna turn it on real quick. Hold on. Try it now.
Continuous recording will now start. On your smartphone, connect to a Wi-Fi network.
All right.
Starts with
Okay, I have it now. I got it now.
GPS connect.
Try it now. All right, go. Oh shit. Oh, you gotta pull all the way. My bad. Yeah, I ain't pull all the way. Yeah, you gotta pull it all the way. Yeah, it's all the way. It's a far pull, yeah.
If anything, I can move you. It's gonna be easier for them to pull you this way.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, you still got that big ass ramp right there.
Huh?
I'm not, because I was telling you still have that ramp right there to go over.
Yeah, well, no, this one we don't have the ramp here.
Oh. Okay.
You go forward and have you wait out in the front, but it's gonna be tricky for him to come back.
Yeah, for me to come in on that side, then just back in through right here.
Go sway.
Hold on, wait.
Oh my goodness, dude.
There we go.
So what happened? So you seen the oil or the check engine light came on?
Yes. So long story short, I'm gonna give y'all a story now. So I was going back to the crib, right? And then I turned the corner. Mine is full rain, so I can't speed. It's fucking this car spins.
The rain's man crazy. Yeah, in LA for sure.
Can't really smash this fucking truck either way. So I was turning the corner, and then the check engine light came on. And that's what takes y'all's other shit weird.
And it was on zero.
Yeah, and then you know what's crazy? The picture I sent you, I thought you'd seen that. It shows you how much oil you have. It's been on zero for like a minute.
I ain't been paying attention, bro. I just been driving, bro. I've been so busy focused on the semi business and all the other things. Come on, bro. You know what's going on behind the scenes, man. So I ain't been able to. Man, it's just a rookie mistake, brother. Because I should be looking at.
There's 2 cars I ain't breaking.
But the thing is, it's not like it's kind of like ducked off and hidden.
No, it's small as hell.
That's what I'm saying. Like,
it's in there.
Who's looking at that shit in a brand new car?
I'm not.
That's what I'm saying, bro. That was a rookie mistake on my behalf.
But whenever you turn the car on, it does say change oil now.
Oh no, it did. No, it said change oil soon. It never said change oil now. It said change oil soon.
Still change oil.
It's like the same, but
the first 2 lines is important. Change oil.
It's all right. So,
man. So
unfortunately, Sway came over here to get the oil changed, and then when you got here, it just stopped. Or what happened?
So I parked right here because it was a car in front. And then when that car left, I was going to turn on to drive forward, and then it kept saying shift to P, then back to
neutral.
Our desired
gear. Oh, okay.
Yeah, because I remember your Hellcat. I did that like whenever it
bogged out or whatever. Yeah.
Yeah, but that's different. That's fucking.
Yeah, TRX don't have them type problems in my Hellcat. Yeah, for sure.
This is actually your first perfect. Well, not perfect one, but normal car.
How's it looking?
Put 3 quarts for you, but it's still still muddy there for you, so it's got a little bit of shine. Okay. Gotta put 3 quarts of the oil you brought. So let's see. Hopefully, we can put the oil cap on, and if it turns on, then we'll see where it goes from there.
Okay, cool. Appreciate it, fellas. Got some legendary guys helping out over this way, but yeah. So, and then by the time you made it in here, it just wasn't happening. Yeah, it was bone dry. Yeah, that was embarrassing. That's embarrassing on my behalf.
Last time I knew a car had 0 oil was my first Mustang.
Yeah.
I used never.
Oh, we know the Mustang, sir.
No, the first one.
No, I wasn't there for that one. But
Yeah.
that other one was pretty bad.
Oh, yeah. The fucking engine blew.
Real G Squad, I remember that was the engine was knocking. Shit, the way I played this one, I'm surprised my shit wasn't knocking out bone dry. That shit was. Let's see.
You see right there? So it's in drive and then nothing happened.
I don't know about acting that dumb, brother. Go back to park. Let's see.
You put it in park.
Uh huh.
And then you put it in drive. It's driving now. It goes in gear, then you hear it take gear.
Oh shit. That's the problem.
Yeah.
So I might have fucked up something.
I can save me this time again. I'm 2 for 2 with not break cars anymore.
Well, it was your fault. You was driving. All right, I ain't gonna do that to you, so
I know you know it's crazy though. So he was telling me, because you know how we took the road trip like the same day, like then every you got the car.
Yeah.
And he was saying like should have took the road trip on breaking oil.
Oh
You see
man.
how dark that turned out.
That's
Right
black.
now, when you just turn it back on and get it all out, that's black.
Damn.
So y'all for real need to take it to the dealership.
All right. Well, shit. Let's get this joint towed up, then, man. Damn it.
Oh yeah, man. Well, Dodge, I owe you an apology for saying Dodge is always breaking down. It's official. I know why Dodge cars break down. This nigga Slim. This dude ain't changed oil. So I'm gonna give you a little backstory. So when he changed his battery about like 4 or 5 months ago, I obviously hadn't recorded. It's been like 3 months since he needed change his battery. So change his battery back, I want to say it's December now, so I want to say September, October, we changed the battery on TRX because the battery went dead. Mind you, it's December now, so it was still saying he needed oil change 4 months ago. And now today, I was going back to the crib, turned the corner, seen the check engine light popped up flashing, then it went back solid. Then I told him the check engine light was on. And yeah, look at the code. Its code is P0300, I think. Technically misfiring, all the good stuff, man. But first and foremost, so you see the shirt is icy too. But you see, hold on.
You have it engaged and disengaged right now, right?
Yeah, it's off right now.
Okay. So
I'll do you want to pull it?
yeah, that way we can try
All right.
to see if we can get you back.
I'm doing it right now. All right. Well, yeah. Let's just say this nigga has 0 oil. It was bone gristle dry.
You're good. You're clear from the Lambo. Turn to the left, Sway. You're fine right there. Go ahead, stop.
Ooh.
That means just at the door.
Woo.
That way the truck can just pull up like on an angle.
Will you be able to grab it from the back end, or do it got to be turned around?
Oh, because if he has that neutral switch on,
Yeah.
do it either way. Because you're 4x4, so either way.
Oh, okay, cool, perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Should be sitting there in about 40 minutes.
40 minutes?
40. You trying to get food?
If you want to, you hungry?
I'm starving.
All right, come on, take some.
All right. Hey, turn shit on. Thank you. We'll be back.
Yeah. Make sure you put it in park. Put your
Oh
park
shit. Tripping.
You're embarrassing.
Oh shit. Hold on. This damn car about to roll back. Wait, is it on? Let me close this.
No, this one, no. I only put 2 places this one. Okay, perfect. So, yeah. Keep that in there.
Yes. Thank you.
Yeah.
Up, not on the seats.
Your ride will be here, right? I told you from the drive.
Oh, that's when y'all close?
Yeah, I told that 7.
Oh, shit. Okay, that's perfect.
Yeah.
Thanks, man.
No worries.
Well, I'll be back in 4 days for oil change.
Damn.
Yeah, I'm
Thanks, fellas. Is it good right here?
Yeah, it'll be fine. That way, it stays right here. That way, there's nothing gonna happen. In the next 40 minutes, I doubt I'll get a car.
All right, appreciate
no
it.
worries.
We'll be right back, my man. Thank you.
Oh, man. Ain't that some shit? Well, it's a blessing. Hopping out of a broken... Oh, shit, you scared me. God, I'm trying to vlog. God damn, okay, I'm sorry. Oh, shit. Anyway, as I was saying, you know me, rich man stuff, man. Hopping out of TRX in the Lambo. That's my favorite color, orange.
You ain't gonna be able to see it's pitch black.
I'm black anyway, but it is dark as hell in here. Well, Hellcat broke, TRX broke. When I say no, Hondas are the most reliable cars in the world.
Hondas are pretty reliable. I never had a problem with my Honda, bro. I never had a problem with my Ram or my Dodgers, though. Until you modify it. Until you modify it.
Where's the truck at right now?
On the tow truck. That was my fault. It wasn't Ram's fault.
That's a big ass truck.
That is one big ass truck. I try to look bigger than the semi.
It's semi?
No, it's not. But I'm just.
No, well, technically, think about the front end.
I don't think you need no CDL. Hey, my man, do you need a CDL? You don't need a CDL to drive the tow truck, do you?
Just a regular one.
Yeah, it's a regular light.
Bro?
Yep, I told you.
Shit.
I got my CDL, man.
You trying to buy a tow truck?
All right, brother. Drive safe. All right, my man. All right, tomorrow. All right, brother.
Are you trying to buy a tow truck and then I'll drive it? I can go all three. I can film. I can drive a semi and this.
First off, you need to pass the test in the CDL. You failed twice, brother.
Yeah.
You go back and study.
No, 3 times because I take that one there. I failed 3 times.
That's what your ass need to do is study.
I'm getting Lambo. I'm getting Lambo. Fit check today. I got some Balenciagas. Hold on, turn around. My brother's brand shirt. And then we got, the good Paul Rich watch out here to, get Lambo. Nothing crucial, but the Lambo on the feet. This only car is not broken, but carbon fiber costs more than my car. Well, yeah, it's just broke. Yeah. Finally ain't break car. I'm talking shit. Yeah. First time I ain't break car, man. I ain't break his Hellcat. I ain't break TRX. Come on, man. So if all the trolls out there, I ain't broke car in a minute. This is great. Yeah. Don't cry. You'll be all right. Yeah, you'll see it soon. Yeah, that's just gone. Yeah, look at this light-skinned nigga. Damn, white ears. So white ears. Oh, shit. That's nice.
Hey, brother.
He almost spun out. This dude almost spun out.
This is what we about to do, man.
You trying to get beer? Alcohol?
No, brother. I am driving. What kind of friend
No.
are you, brother?
No.
So when we get to the crib?
It don't matter, but...
Listen, bro. Here's what we can do. We can drink a beer, pina colada, play some pool, and guess what you're going to do when we play pool? Lose, and I'm going to win. Let's get it, brother.
10, but it's final goodbyes. There you go. Miss it. Ah, there you missed it.
Damn it. Shit, I did miss it.
I got it, see.
I tried to catch it, though.
It's all right. So neutral. See you later.
Damn it, I'm embarrassing. Shout out to Roddy Rich. Download the new album, man.
Don't do that.
Damn, just swear you are.
I'm playing to do that, man. Support your brothers, man. Roddy Rich, he don't know me, but that's cool. I'll still support him.
If you ain't really with me, nigga, say that. If she fronted on me, then she could stay back. I'm Zariga in the end and we don't play that. Surf tatted on my hand and I'ma stay there. I'm tryna put my mama in the Maybach. I'ma shit on every place I used to slave at. Got me out here really looking for some payback. Got me out here really looking for the payback. Every song's free to away. Cause that nigga paid the way. Niggas mimicking the city I was raised. All along without no homage getting paid. I mix the fruity pebbles with the hint though. Still up on that block but also indoor. Ever since I got it popping like a pimple. Everybody tryna be a nigga friend no. Circle tighter than a lifestyle. Family question in my lifestyle. Think my head is swelling cause I'm iced out. Ask me how I sleep, said what the lights off. Text me how I sleep, said with the lights off. Tryna get in a position, can't take nights off. I can shower shit and sleep, won't take the ice off. Constant reminder just to never set my sights off. If you ain't really with me, nigga, say that. If she fronted on me, then she could stay back. I'm Zariga in the end and we don't play that. Surf tatted on my hand and I'ma stay there. I'm tryna put my mama in the Maybach. I'ma shit on every place I used to slave at. Got me out here really looking for some payback.